Hello everyone and welcome to At Home in York. I'm Christine Cooper, the Manager of Public Programs for the York County History Center. Since the early 1700s, Europeans began moving into the area that would become York County. They were drawn here by land, fresh water, and opportunity. For over 270 years, people from all over the world have been making their homes here in York. And I'd like to introduce you to some of those people throughout this series. Hello friends! Welcome to the York County History Center's At Home in York, and I want to introduce you to my friend Satoko. Satoko is from Japan, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what it was like growing up in Japan and why she's made her home here in York.
Hi friends! My name is Satoko. I'm from Tokyo area, which is a very crowded, big city, like 3 times as big as New York. A lot of people use bicycles to commute to the train stations. We have lots and lots of trains going everywhere. So that's like a main way of transportation. Growing up in Japan, we walk to school. We all walk to school. We have yummy school lunches, and we have the time that we have to clean our own school. Like we all take time and like an hour of cleaning up everything, every single day.
So like sweeping the floor?
Yes, and toilet and everything. So that's part of education there.
How long was your school day?
How long was my school day? It's about the same.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we go to school on Saturdays.
Oh, so 6 days a week.
But Saturdays are shorter, like a half day.
What types of games did you play?
Tags, it's basically the same here, but it's called different. We have like hide and seek, we have tags.
So what's hide and seek called in Japan?
Kakurenbo.
Hakurenbo?
Kakurenbo.
Kakudembo.
Okay. Popular sport is baseball. Baseball is very, very popular. School lunch is yummy. So there's a person who plans the school lunches for the whole month, every month, and then the nutritionist will plan it, and then it's all made at the site. So every day is different.
So what kind of food did you eat for school lunch?
School lunch, all sorts. Like we have spaghetti sometimes,
Yeah.
but we always have like a main dish and then veggies and, you know, soup and
Fresh
salad
things.
and fresh food. So it's my favorite time of school.
I think it's every kid's favorite.
Yes, yes.
What was your favorite food growing up?
I don't know how to say it in English.
You could just tell us.
But it's like a pancake, but it's a savory pancake. It's called okonomiyaki. It's kind of hard to say.
Okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki. It's like there's cabbage and it's like a cabbage pancake, I guess. And then you put like lots of things on it to make it savory. It's kind of like a hash brown, except it's not potatoes, it's cabbage. It has flour in it, flour and cabbage, eggs, and lots of other veggies.
You've mentioned a lot of things that are the same growing up in Japan and growing up in the United States, like having spaghetti for lunch at school and playing tag and hide and seek. And there are some things that are different too, like cleaning your school and going to school on Saturday. Why did you choose to make your home in York?
In York, well, I came here after I graduated high school in Japan, and I came to United States. I actually went to Seattle, Washington for university, and I met my husband, and we got, well, my boyfriend, I guess, got married, and he got a job here. So we moved here.
So what do you like best about living in York?
York, I love history. I love downtown York. I love all the architecture. It's beautiful. It's just different architecture that I, from what I'm used to. So coming from Japan, like where a lot of people live and it's pretty tight, like it's crowded, but York is not crowded. And I love that there's place for us to run around and tons of place to hike. I love that if we want to go to the city, we could go to a big city, but then we can come home to York and be surrounded by nature and beautiful rolling hills of farmland.
What's your favorite American food?
So, favorite American food, I don't know what American food is in general. I love the fact that I can eat all sorts of different kinds of food, like pizza, spaghetti, Thai food, Vietnamese food, Mexican food. I love them all. They're all here, so I love it. I also love fast-nuts, and I also love Paradise milk, and I love that you can go pick your own apples and peaches and pumpkins, so that's super fun to me. I brought a couple of Japanese traditional toys for you guys. This is called kendama, and this is called daruma otoshi. And then I brought some origami. I'll start with this one. So it has a string attached. I think you guys have similar toys in America, but this is like the biggest, and then this is a little bit smaller, and then I have this here, and then you could, if you could, do that. I could only do here and here. Okay, ready? But this is the only thing I can do. So, ta-da! And then this is called daruma otoshi, and this guy is called daruma. Okay. Am I gonna be able to do one more? Oh, I can't. But you're supposed to be able to knock all the blocks, and then he just remains. So that's the game. So this is origami. It's just a piece of paper, but we have tons of different colors and patterns, and it's really cute. I brought apple one and orange one, and there's some sea theme origami and just plain one. So I'm gonna do one easy one for you, and this is really easy. All you need is one sheet of origami and maybe Sharpie. This is the pink side, the color side, and then the white side. Usually have both different sides. Okay, so you fold it into triangle, and then fold two flaps like so, and then fold this part down, and it looks like this, and then you draw eyes, nose, and then it's a cat. I'm going to fold a crane because it's very traditional. So first you fold triangle, triangle. You always have to iron the paper and fold it like really crisp. Match the edges always. And then always iron, super crisp edge. And then, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know. Make this triangular into square. So you have two squares. You have two squares. And then you have these flaps. You're supposed to have this line here, so put the fold it into the middle. And on the other side also. Always iron, and then put this, and then open it up. Most everybody in Japan knows how to do this. So I think we do this in school a lot. We do it for fun. It's always kind of, you don't learn it in school. I mean,
but the kids teach each other?
Yeah, or like parents teach kids.
Mm-hmm. Like the little fortune tellers that kids make in school.
Yeah, like nobody really teaches you, but you kind of know.
And so what's the meaning behind, is there like a meaning or a symbol? What does the
So yeah,
crane represent?
Crane, I think is often made to wish for something. Like if somebody's sick, mm-hmm. People make lots of them and then string them up for the sick person to heal. Or if you are wishing for something like some baseball team to win, a lot of people would fold them and then wish for their good luck. It's kind of like a good luck charm that everybody could pitch in and make and then string it up. So it could be for anything.
So it represents like a positive thought.
Yeah, a positive thought. It's like a prayer, and then it's actually, you can see it, like how many people are wishing, how many wishing is for you, you know? So that's a crane. Bye, friends.
Okay.